How to request a refund on Airbnb. Are guests facing issues to request a refund on Airbnb mobile application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If something goes wrong with your stay and you need a refund, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, make sure you are logged in into your account. After you get logged in, tap Tips from the bottom menu, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Trips. After click on it, select the reservation you had an issue with. Scroll down and tap Request Refund or Report a Problem option, depending on the situation. Choose the reason for your refund request, like the place wasn't clean, amenities were missing, host canceled late, safety issues. You may need to upload the photos of the issue, describe what happened clearly. Once you all submit the request, Airbnb or the host will review it. You can check the status in the messages or trips section. If the host doesn't respond or you need more help, Airbnb may step in with the resolution center to assist with the refund. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to request a refund on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.